people in Ukraine meet their Human Rights Day in fight for freedom and for human dignity. 10 years ago, Russia has launched the war of aggression against Ukraine. Russia occupied Crimea, part of eastern regions, and 2 years ago extended this war to the large-scale invasion. Because Putin is not afraid of NATO. Putin is afraid of the idea of freedom. For 10 years, people in Crimea live in a gray zone. They, particularly Crimean Tatars, have no tools how to defend their rights, their freedom, their property, their lives, their children, and their beloved ones. But they don't give up. I know that in many countries worldwide, people are also fighting for their freedom and human dignity. And very often, their efforts may seem have no sense because they are faced with enormous opposing power. But the total history of humankind convincingly proved that we shouldn't give up. Because hope, it's not a confidence that everything will be fine, but it's a deep understanding that all our efforts have a meaning.